Imagine waking up every morning, not to the sound of an alarm, but to the gentle rhythm of financial freedom. The sun gently filters through your curtains, and you stretch out in your luxurious bed, knowing that today, like every day, you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Picture a life where money isn't a constraint, but a tool to unlock your full potential. You shop without a second thought, attend high-stakes business meetings, and travel to exotic destinations, all without worrying about the cost. Is this the life you envision for yourself? A life where your dreams are within reach, and your goals are not just aspirations, but achievable milestones? Or are you destined to watch opportunities slip through your fingers? Will you let frustration and missed chances define your journey, or will you take control and create the life you've always dreamed of? The choice is yours. Time, they say, is money. But what if I told you, time is actually the most valuable asset you possess? Every second that ticks by is an opportunity to invest, to learn, to grow. But if you squander these moments, you're not just losing time, you're losing your future. Now, let's talk about a little something called compound interest. It's a concept that can transform your financial future in ways you might not even imagine. It's the eighth wonder of the world, Einstein called it. He understood its immense power and potential to grow wealth exponentially over time. It's the magic that turns small, consistent investments into a fortune. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a towering tree, providing shade and fruit for years to come. But here's the catch. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Time is your greatest ally in the world of compound interest. The longer your money has to grow, the more it will multiply. So, why wait? Why delay your financial future? Start today, no matter how small the amount. Every little bit counts and can lead to significant growth over time. Take control of your financial destiny now. You have a choice. You can either continue down the path of financial mediocrity, content with a paycheck-to-paycheck existence, or you can seize the opportunity to build a life of abundance. The choice is yours. But remember, inaction is a decision in itself, and it's a decision that could cost you dearly. I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done, right? Well, you're not wrong. But the good news is, it's not as complicated as it seems. All it takes is a little discipline, a lot of patience, and a solid financial plan. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Imagine having the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions that can lead to financial freedom. It's not just a dream, it's within your reach. Want to learn more about the incredible power of compound interest? This simple, yet powerful concept can transform your savings into a substantial nest egg over time. Understanding how it works is the first step to making your money work for you. Then be sure to check out my next video, where I'll dive deep into the strategies that can help you build wealth, one step at a time. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, I'll cover everything you need to know to start your journey towards financial independence. Click the link on the screen now to get started. Don't wait another day to take charge of your financial future. Your journey to financial empowerment begins with a single click. Join me, and let's make your financial dreams a reality.